Hey, Sujit Kumar here, and welcome to this exclusive training on network marketing. So, first things first, if you have failed in the past, I truly believe it's not your fault. Either you have been told wrong or trained with ineffective strategies. In this training, you will learn how I built an automated recruitment system by avoiding three deadliest mistakes done by networkers. And I did it without my friends or family even knowing I'm still in MLM. Right. One of my family members were asking whether you do this thing or not. And I said, I'm still in MLM. Right. But I do it with automation. Right. So this works even if you have zero contacts and you hate prospecting or cold calling people. Right. So this is the ultimate system, and I'm going to discuss this in this training. But before that, I want something from you, that is your attention. So I need 100% attention from you guys for the next 2 hours. You need to put away your phone, whatever you are doing on your phone, you need to put away. Or if you are attending this training with your phone, then I want to have you shut down all your social media channels that are other than this training, right? So you can shut down each and everything that is other than this training in order to give 100% attention to this training, because I want to tell you something, that this training will literally change your life and this will change your business, because the life you want or the marriage you want, that is all the lifestyle or anything is dependent on the businesses that you build, right? So lock yourself at a quiet place, and please, 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 guys, treat it like a paid training that is worth $5,000, right? Because I'll prove it to you in the next 90 minutes. So I want to tell you that network marketing is the best business at present, right? So you may be thinking why I'm saying that, right? Because I used to be a negative person, and because my parents had a earlier experience in network marketing. Based on their experience, I had judged this business, but right now I know this is the best business to be in, right? So let's go with some facts. So whenever we talk about business, then we should talk about its earnings, right? So let us see how much the top earners earn through network marketing. So this is a report that of 2016 income disclosure statement, right? This is that for one of the companies. This is not right now the uh, top earning companies, but here if you see that the highest level earner earns somewhere around $33,882. This is average monthly income, right? In 1 month, they are earning this. And if you convert that in rupees, this is somewhere around 25.5 lakhs approximately every month. It means like he is earning somewhat around like 3 to 4 CRs, right? Between 3 to 4 CRs on an average income. So that is a good income, right? In a yearly basis, if you are earning 3 to 4 cr, it means you are earning well, right? But right now it has changed, and there is a drastic change in that, right? So this is like 0.03% people are only top earners in a company, while most of the people are at the bottom, because the strategies that they use are totally different from what they need to use, right? So this is the present report, that is of the top network marketers. So Igor Alberts and Andreas Simbala, they are making like $21.6 million every year, right? So you can understand the potential of this industry, right? This is the income that mostly that in this income is not even the net worth of Bollywood stars that they are getting right now as an annual income. And it could be like if you convert that in rupees, this is 1.62 billion rupees a year, and their total net worth is $150 million just from network marketing, right? So there are a lot of millennials, because this industry has created most number of millennials, consistent millennials, I should say, than any other industry in the world, right? That's why I promote network marketing so much. So Jeff Roberty, his net worth is $75 million, and he Earlier, he used to do multiple jobs in order to pay his high school fees. So he knew the pain of money loss, the pain of not having money, right? So he started network marketing, and within the first year, he became a millionaire with network marketing. Right now, his annual income is $5.4 million just from network marketing. If we talk about, there are a lot of people who are millionaires, right? A lot of people you may not even be knowing about, right? This is the beauty of this network marketing. Kim Hui, she is earning $6.6 million per year. Rolf Kip is earning $9.6 million per year. Chanida and Nat Puran Patra, they are earning $14.4 million per year. Dexter and Betty Yeager, they are earning $15.6 million per year. Bland McLaren, he is earning $8.4 million per year. Sachin Gupta, he is earning somewhere around $3 to $7 million per year right now. So these are some of the top networkers. There are more than 10,000 or more than that people who are millionaires just from the network marketing. We can go on and on, right? So it was just to tell you what this industry can make you, right? So this is a date, May 6th, 1965, when an English athlete, his name was Roger Bannister, did something that was earlier thought to be impossible, right? He crossed a mile within 4 minutes, right? Earlier, it was in the belief system of people that a human can never cross a mile within 4 minutes. But Roger Bannister did that, right? And prior to this, human beings believed that it's physically impossible to break 4 minute mile. But what happened afterwards, that is something that you need to see, right? So actually, within 46 days, another person break this record, right? And his name was John Landy. He was the same person who was the runner-up in that race when Roger Bannister did that, right? So once Roger Bannister did that, the belief system changed, and John Landy thought, like, if Roger Bannister can do that, I can do that. And so he was able to do it within 46 days, which was not even broken for the last 200 years. Because for the last 200 years, no one believed that a human being can physically cross 1 mile distance within 4 minutes. That's why it was not broken. But once people had that belief system, right now, if you talk about, there are more than 7,000 people who have crossed 4 minute mile, right? So it's just about the belief system. And these include even the school going kids, right? They have also crossed it, right? So it is just the change of belief system. Now, I know what it feels like being broke, right? Because earlier I was an educator, right? A chemistry dude guy, right? So there you can see a green board behind me, right? So I was more in education, right? And I was working in the e-learning industry. So this is the date that shifted my entire mindset. 20th May 2019. This is the date that built the foundation of uh, me going in network marketing. So this was the date of my PhD interview. That was on 20th May 2019. This was my dream to pursue PhD in IIT Bombay. So I've cleared GATE examination in order to pursue PhD in IIT Bombay. And there are a lot of entrance examinations for PhD that I had cleared. And if I was able to clear this interview, then I would be funded by government to pursue my PhD, and government would pay me like 32,000 or something, right, in order to complete my PhD during this. But on the same date, I had an operation, and that was in Fortis Mohali, because I was suffering from abdominal tuberculosis, right? So I was not able to attend this interview, and that's why my whole life changed. I was about to do PhD and get a stipend of 32,000, but in one day everything changed and I failed to attend this interview. I had lost my job that was in the e-learning company because I had to suffer. I had to go on to cure this disease for a year. It took me a year to come out of it, right? Because it is a chronic disease, right? So I spent more than 2 lakh rupees in Fortis within a month. And during this time, I went through a heartbreak because people thought like this is the end of my life and I cannot do anything in my life, right? So I went through a heartbreak and I was in more than 25,000 rupees debt. So this was the initial situation that I went through, right? Within a month, my whole life changed, right? And this is a screenshot of my account. You can see in at the end of July, 29th July, I had just 1000 rupees in my account, right? 1135 rupees, right? So this was the amount that was in my bank account, and that also I had taken more than 5000 rupees from someone, right? So I had no money for food, not for my belongings, and not even for my rent or anything else. And I had to survive in Pune. So you know how you can survive in Pune without money, right? So Pune is a city where you need money, right? So I was sleeping on couches on floor to pay my rent, and I had to rejoin that e-learning company in order to pay my rent or to earn some money to pay my rent, right? So because I had to survive in Pune, right? And this is what life looked like for me. I was broke and I was scared, right? What will happen next? And I was thinking like, what do I do now? And I thought these people who are in network marketing, because I came to know about these people when I went to Fortis Mohali, right? There I met a lot of people who were in network marketing. I came to understand that there is a lot more scope in this network marketing in India, right? So I understood the potential of this network marketing, right? So this was the time I decided to enter network marketing when I took it seriously on August 17, 2019. This was the date the 4 minute mile was broken for me because I saw the monthly income report of these two guys, Igor Alberts and Andreas Imbala. They are making $2.7 million a month. Within a month, they are making $2.7 million just from network marketing. Their annual income is $21.6 million and their net worth is $150 million. So I thought set a goal because I thought if they can do it, I can also do it. So my goal was to scale my business to 10x times within a calendar year. But it didn't happen, right? But right now I had built a system that has a potential to make it happen, right? So because they did it, I know I can also do it. So there was a change in my belief system. That's why I started the network marketing, right? So on 14th May 2021, because after failing for a year or for first 12 months, I didn't had a single downline in my organization and my list all expired. And in on 14th May 2021, I decided to build this business online, and I found that two things are most important when you are building business online, right? Because it was COVID time. So I decided to build business online. And the two most important things to 10x the network marketing business in the next 12 months is first is the lead generation system, right? You need a lead generation system where you need consistent lead of people whom you can promote your opportunity to, right? And second, you need a sales and recruitment automation system that will maintain the cash flow in your business, because there are two important things in your business. One is leads and next is sales. These are income generating assets in your business, right? So because I have gone through a lot of books, and in one of the books, like Parable of the Pipeline, right? I have learned about this time leverage and money leverage, right? So I wanted to leverage my time by putting each and everything on an automation building system that can leverage my time. And now am able to perfect a system that is bringing in 2 to 3 people consistently who are asking me to be my downlines every day, right? So right now I'm able to perfect a system by which I get 2 to 3 people consistently asking to be my downlines, right? So the 4 minute the 4 minute mile for you guys has been broken, right? Because the vehicle to 10x your business in the next 12 months is the automated lead generation and recruitment system. The system that I'm going to discuss with you is this automated lead generation and recruitment system that can 10x your business in the next 12 months, right? So when I started to implement even small bits of it, I got a bunch of people every day. They were messaging me, and like I was at that time, it was manual, right? So it was manual and everything. But this first part of it was on automation. So I decided to put each and everything on automation. So right now, I want you guys to take a pen and paper right now, right? Because I want you to commit something, because I want this training to be the life changing training for you. So I want you to just have the pen and paper and write down on that pen and paper, on that paper, please write down that, write down a commitment, right? Because if you are in this training and if you are attending this training, I want this training to be valuable for you. So I want a commitment from you guys, right? So you need to commit, like, please say this. I commit that as soon as I know that automated lead generation and recruitment system is the key to 10x my business, I will go all in, right? Because there, I don't want you to be a dabbler, right? I want you to go all in. So one more thing I want to tell you, right? At the end of this training, I'm going to make you a very special offer, right? I will make you a very special offer. And in this offer, I will give you everything you need to 10x your network marketing team in the next 12 months, right? Because I want to give you everything today that will help you to 10x your network marketing business, guys, right? So, and at last, I will also ask you for 74,990 rupees or $1,000, right? At the end of this training, right? So don't freak out, guys, right? Now I know what what some of you guys maybe like, you may be freaking out, like, I'm going to give Sujit 74,990 rupees or $1,000, right? But some of you guys are like, if Sujit can 10x my network marketing team in the next 12 months, I can give him whatever he wants, right? So, first things first, what does it means to go all in? You can see this. These people are not all in, right? Well, if you talk about them, they are all in, right? This is what all in means. If you talk about this girl, she left the marriage in between, so she is not all in. If you talk about these guys are all in, right? So what does it means to go all in? Tony Robbins, his net worth is like $600 million. What does he says? If you want to take the island, burn your boats, right? So if you want something, you need to just leave your comfort zone, right? Whatever you are standing right now, or whatever is the reason for you to not starting out, right, to the modern thing, right? So if you want to take the island, burn your boats, this is what is the commitment that I want you guys, right, to make right now, to go all in, right? So my goal today is to unlock your hidden potential to 10x your network marketing business in the next 12 months, right? And I will prove you it in the next 90 minutes. So what does it mean to go all in, right? For me to go all in, if you go all in, then if your income is like 40,000 rupees you are earning in a year through network marketing, then I will help you to take that income to 4 lakh rupees plus in a year, right? Your income will move beyond 4 lakh rupees in a year. If you are earning like 1 lakh a year, then I can help you to scale to 10 lakhs plus a year. If you are earning like 10 lakhs a year, I can help you to reach out to 1 CR plus a year, right? So now my question is, would you give me 74,990 rupees or $1,000 if I could guarantee to 10x your team, right? So you can write the answers in the comment box, right? Or you know the answer, right? It is definitely worth the price, right? So I will give you a much better offer, right? Don't worry about it, guys. Right now, just have the focus on the training and just go with me and understand what I want to tell you, right? So you are just one automated recruitment system away. If you are able to build one automated recruitment system, this will serve you for lifetime, right? Because the life you want, the marriage you want, the family that you want is going to be fueled by the businesses that you build, right? So if you build this one automated system, then you can also be a part of top earners club in your industry, right? Because once the things are on automation, then you are able to reach out to each and every person in the world. And because the things that are online, that you also know that there is a statement by Bill Gates: if your business is not online, you are not your business, you will be out of the business in some time, right? So this is the best time to build businesses online. So let me tell you about myself before going forward. So I'm a digital networker and a business automation expert. My name is Sujit Kumar, and I'm the founder of Digital Networkers Hub, a community that is supporting networkers all around the world, and that is on a mission to build. And I'm on a mission to build the world's largest community of digital networkers. And I'm also the creator of Network Marketing Downline Secrets. This is a course, right? So I'm a digital networker with an obsession of helping other network marketers around the world, and that nothing gets me more excited than that, right? So I feel really excited when I help network marketers, right? So first, your question may be like, what is this automated lead generation and recruitment system, right? So before that, I want to tell you about the traditional recruitment system, right? So right now, you may be a part of a traditional recruitment system. Let me tell you what happens in that. We have some, we used to text people or we used to call people, right? Because I used to do that. So I'm just sharing my experience, what I used to do earlier, right? We text or call people, and after that, we are like praying to God or begging or praying to God that God, please have that person sign up as my downline. So it is hopeless marketing, right? So because we are told that this is a numbers game, right? Because we are inbuilt with the belief system that it's a numbers game, and it's no longer a numbers game, guys, right? This sort of marketing is hopeless marketing, right? Begging or praying for God that build business for me, right? If you are not able to do that properly, then let me tell you what happens when you are texting or calling people unnecessarily and just pitching your message again and again. They think you as a spammer, or it is something like asking for a hookup, right? So what will you do if a person keeps on messaging you even though you don't want to see his message? You will block that person, right? You will block that person and you will see a message like access denied. Or if you are asking a girl for a hookup, this is what can happen with you, right? She will slap you, right? There is most of the chances that she will slap you right on your face, right? So this is what happens, right? And this is why 997 out of every 1,000 network marketers loses money in their business. Yes, guys, this is right. Out of 1,000 network marketers, 997 network marketers loses money in their business, right? They become broke because I have gone through this, right? They are they are going through a crisis situation. They are anxious, they lose things, they are at the verge of bankruptcy, they have taxes to pay, they have a lot of failures, they are in debts, or they had taken a lot of loans, they have bills to pay, right? A lot of problems are there, right? They are not getting consistent payment, right? They are working paychecks to paychecks. They are doing multiple jobs in order to build their businesses online, right? So we have to be smarter, guys, right? Because we are putting our time and money in this business, right? Because I used to put 14 to 15 hours every day because I was working full time in this business, right? So our output should be greater than our input, right? Whatever our output should be, our input, whatever input we are giving, like if you are investing $1 in this business, then you should take out $2 out of the business. That is what business means. Because if you are losing money in a business, then that is not a business, right? According to me, because I only understand the simple math that if I can put $1 in my business on Monday, then I should have the capacity to take out $2 from it on the next day, right? So, what this automated lead generation and recruitment system is? Automated lead generation and recruitment system is just like that, because it is kind of like if you have a top earner in your company and he is the top salesperson, right? The top earner in your company, he is helping to build emotional connection with your prospect, and he is also helping you to close the person for you 24 by 7, 24 hours, 7 days a week, without asking for anything or without asking for your help. And you even not even you don't even know about the prospect, right? And you go to sleep, and once you wake up in the morning, you find that there are two downlines in your network marketing team. So this is what automated lead generation and recruitment system is. It is building your team on complete automation, right? So this is what it feels like. It's the awesome system, right? If you are able to build this system, then this is the most awesome thing that you can do. And let me tell you, this is the best time, because people like to buy things based on videos, right? They are videos are the part of selling something, right? So traditional system versus automated lead generation and recruitment system. So this automated lead generation and recruitment system helps you make money on automation, because if you are able to recruit people on automation, then you are making money on automation. And here you have built a system, and this system is working for you. And if you talk about the traditional system, then that takes money out of your pocket, and you had to invest lots of time. You work like an employee, you remain broke, you are worse than an employee, because you are not even making money, right? And you are personally calling each and every person, like spamming people, right? Uninterested, even the person is not interested, then also you are calling that person and sending messages again and again. And so rich people build system, that is according to Robert Kiyosaki, rich people build system and the poor people work in a system, right? So this traditional system is like worse than what is the working as a job. This is worse than a job, right? Because so after working for 4 plus years, I discovered the hard way, because before that also I was in building automated system, right? Before 2019, I was also in building automated systems, right? Because I was the part of let me tell you, I was the part of network marketing industry for more than 4 years before, from 2016 onwards, but I didn't took it seriously, right? I took it seriously after 2019, right? In 2019, after that incidents, right? So because you are in this training, you get to cheat and get the easy way, right? So the hard way, what we have been forced to do for the past 40 years, right? What we have been taught, according to this hard way, the first step is, if you want to sign up 30 people, right? If you make a target to sign up 30 people in your downlines in a month, then at least you need to meet 600 new people. And to meet 600 new people in the offline world, it is way more difficult, right? So it is way more difficult to meet 600 new people and talk to them, right? So if you are a great, if you are too much experienced in the business, then only you would be able to find 150 interested people out of it. Because out of the 600 people, you will find 150 people interested in your opportunity. Now you have to do the conversation with all these 150 people, right, to share your opportunity with, right? And once you talk with them, then if you are a pro networker, then you would be able to sign up one person out of every 5% that you talk to. And so this will ensure that you are on target, which is only possible for pro networkers, right? And in doing that, you had to talk for like more than 135 hours of active conversation you had went through. And if a person is talking for more than 135 hours, then he is he is totally screwed up and frustrated, right? Because to each and every person he needs to give a lot of time, because if he is meeting 600 people, he is at least putting in more than 1200 hours, or more than that, even more than that, right? 1800 to 2400 hours. But only talking on phone is more than 135 hours of active conversation, right? So if 1 hour is equal to $50, then 135 hours is like $6,750, right? And after that, you have meetings in hotels. So you had to just pay for that bill also. So it is like $1,000. And now, if you do the math, then the total expense is somewhat like 6 lakh rupees. So you have not yet earned money, but you have wasted. You have put in 6 lakh rupees, and you have given a lot of time, and then you have 30 downlines in your organization, right? Now you need to train them. So this was the hard way. And what you can do, now I will talk about the easy way, right? So we have moved somewhat forward, right? So let's move back. So this is like 6 lakh rupees you are putting in, and you are putting time also. So if you use this automated lead generation and recruitment system, then you can save your time as well as your money, right? Because I will tell you how you can do that on completely free. You can do it for free, right? So let's now we will move to the next slide, right? So in this next slide, now I want to discuss the 3 secrets of success in the network marketing industry. So if you want to be successful, you need to go with these 3 secrets. The secret number one is, we will talk about the 3 dead end phases that 99% of network marketers stay trapped in, and because of it, they lose money instead of making money. But if you use this automated lead generation and recruitment system, you can instantly bypass all these 3 phases, right, in network marketing. Second secret is the game ending mistake that network marketers make immediately upon signing up with a network marketing company. If you do this, you will just lose whatever your investment was, right? Secret number three, how we can rise above the clone wars and be unique in a sea of 3 lakh plus marketers who are all taught the exact same marketing strategies with no variation. And by doing that, they are actually producing their competitors in mass. So let's move with the secret number one, the 3 dead end phases that 99% of the network marketers stay trapped in. And yet those who are able to build this system, they are able to grab leads and grab sales on automation, right? And they bypass all these 3 phases. So what are these phases? So let me tell you about me. Then when in 2019, I was really excited about the opportunity, right? So I was really excited seeing the potential of it. So I started talking to my friends, right? I started talking to my friends, and as I used to have a script, right? That was given by my appliance. I used that script. But what happened at the end, I found myself alone because the the friends of mine, when I started using this script, they understood which company I belong to, right? Because they have earlier been approached by a lot of people, right? So whenever I used to message them or call them, they understood that I am from a network marketing company and I am promoting this company. So they tried to move away from me because I was using that script. So they already knew about it, right? So this was the point when I found that there was no one in my friend list, and people even didn't like to be a part of my company, right? So they didn't like my company because I kept on pitching the same message because I had to make money and I wanted them to sign up at any cost. As you remember, like begging or praying God for their sign up, right? This is the point where most network marketers quit and go back to the same life. Their dreams die because they don't have enough people to talk to. So I was in this situation. Most of the people, when they reach this situation, they think that now they don't have the leads, right? So this is the situation when you don't have the leads. So you keep on pushing the same message to your people whom you know who are not interested in your product or opportunity. So when you keep on pushing your product to a person who is not interested in your opportunity, then you enter the no friends left club. You have no leads or no people to talk to. So what happens, most people firstly talk to their loved ones, and when they talk to their loved ones, they talk negatively about the opportunity, and they mostly they don't join, right? If you talk about me, for the first 12 months I had no downline in my organization, right? So after some time, there is no one to talk to, there are no friends. Because people get exhausted by you and your message, and when this happens, you are a part of no friends left club, right? And so this is the phase number one, no friends left club. And if the next thing is, like, you have Facebook and you have friends on Facebook, if you try to like post a picture of you with the product, then you will find that there is no one interested and people would like to move away from you, right? So you are fishing in a pond that is usually not interested, right? So you are not going to get any fish from there, right? So the problem and the reason, the most important problem is, instead of going outside the network, I was pitching the message to the same people who were not even interested, right? So most of the people do that. What they do, instead of going outside the network to scale, a lot of people beat down the same doors again and again. And why they do that? Because they don't know what else to do. They don't know how to find leads, right? How to get leads or the interested people to their opportunity, because they are not able to find the genuinely interested people to their opportunity, right? So I did this on my channel. I had asked this question on my channel, and most of the people voted like they suffer for lead generation, right? They don't have enough prospects to talk to, right? While the population of the world, right? And then also they don't have the enough prospects to talk to. So this is the first phase, right? So most of the people quit within this first phase. The people who survive, they enter this second phase. The second phase, let me explain this phase with an example. Suppose there is a girl, she's really beautiful, she is damn hot, and you want to ask her out for a date. Now, you reach out to her and you say that, would you like to join me today on dinner? And she replies. She also feels interested, and she finds you an interesting guy. So she says, so where you want to go with me on for dinner? It means she is interested, right? But this is the point. Now, if you do one thing wrong, then she will move away, right? So right now she is interested. So in your life also, when you build businesses, there are people who are interested, right, in your opportunity. But what happens afterwards is they don't sign up. Let me tell you why it is. Now, what happens? She is asking you that where you want to take her on date. So you reply like you try to hand her over to the grandpa, right? You say that okay, we will go on a date, but you just share your number to this old guy, right? This old guy who has a bad breath, and he is like he will tell you stories that is of completely unimportant details, and but he will take your information. Then what will she do, right? She will feel like you are not interested, you have just asked, but you are not interested to go out on for a date with her. And this is what happens with most of the people, like you have killed the bus, you have lost the late date, and it is better luck next time, right? So here the problem is when you are taking interested people through a complicated sales process, right? Or sending them to a corporate website which is outdated and doesn't keep the emotional connection with the people, it confuses them and people don't convert, right? Because a lot of times you may have seen that most of the friends or the people whom you talk to, they are interested, but because they are not getting clarity on what you are doing, that's why they are confused. And let me tell you, a confused mind will never buy, right? And will never convert, right? Because a person is in confusion, then confusion ultimately leads to not signing up and like that, right? Because I have faced this, and the reason is the sites are built by lawyers and not marketers, because marketers know how to build emotional connection. Because if a person is signing up, it is only because of your emotional connection, and he thinks that you will help him to reach his desired lifestyle, right? Because there is a current lifestyle and a desired lifestyle. I will talk about it later in this session, right? So when this is built by lawyers, lawyers try to keep people away, right? While they are more about security, while marketers try to build relationship, right? So when the things are built, when the websites are built by lawyers, it will do opposite of what you want, and it will repel people instead of hooking them in, right? So this is the second phase. Most of the people reach this phase also, and a lot of people leave the business within this second phase. And then comes this third phase. This is the third phase, is Clone Wars. You can see each of them wearing the same suit, same everything, right? So this picture is for only that reason. What happens? The people who are associated with the same network marketing, they have the same message, they are using the same script, same info script, and they have the same strategies, same jokes. They have the same jokes, same objection handling. They promote the same product and they have the same offers for the people. And when you have that, then there is a problem, right? Because the problem is all network marketers have the same opportunity as everyone else in the company. If you have 3 lakh plus network marketers in your company, each and everyone has the same message. So you are competing against each other, right? So if you are doing this, you are competing against each other. Why? The reason is the uplines or the people mainly train their downlines to have the same message, exact same template, and to follow each. They have even the same instruction on how to sell, right? Or how to, they give the exact same template, while it should be a different, right? Because if you are having the same thing, then you are competing against each other, right? So I had a poll on my channel, and there most of the people voted for this. We all have the same message, same strategies, and same products. That's why we are not able to position ourselves as an expert, right? Because if you are doing what each and every person is doing, then you are not an attractive character or an expert in that thing, right? So because if you want to differentiate yourself from the others, then you need to position yourself as an expert in that field. Because if people think you are an expert, then only they will come to you for advice, or they will think that you can help them to reach to the desired lifestyle, right? So how can you move out of these three phases, right? Now you can move out of these three phases by starting to build your network marketing business online, because most of the people are online. Let us understand why it is important to build your network marketing business online, right? So let me clear this with some facts, right? You can get unlimited leads and prospects online who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. And for this, you can see that a report that is by Oberlo, right? According to this, 3.78 billion people are on social media, and this is an old number that is of 2020. This is a report of 2020. If you see the stats now, it is more than 4.78 billion people that are on social media. This number has increased, and this is a report that from January 2021. According to that, 2.5 hours people spent on social media networks and messaging. It means the most probability of people to be found is on social media, right? And right now this number is like 3 hours a day they are spending on social media, right? According to this, so you can find most of the people are on social media, and it is too much easy to connect to a person through social media, right? So you can find people online, so it is the best time to build businesses online, right? Next thing, there are a lot of people who are searching for ways to earning through social media platforms. And that's why you can see this report. According to this report is the source I have shown you, broadbandsearch.net. You can just verify this, right? So Facebook has 2.7 billion people. YouTube has 2.2 billion active users. So these all are active users, right? At different platforms. And apart from that, the buying and recruiting process has shifted online. Right now, all the interviews and all the things, or buying or selling things, are all the things are happening online. After COVID-19, you can see all the recruitment processes taking place online, right? All the buying things are taking place online. And 54% of the world's population is buying products online right now. So you also know that this is the best time to recruit people online, right? Most of them are already building businesses online. So people are also more satisfied with the online experience right now. If you talk about 87% of the people voted for that they have an exceptional customer experience when they shop online, right? So they have so everything online medium, people are building better relationships online, right? You know, Amazon has created a world where they are able to build best relationships online. There are a lot of companies who have built great relationships online. So this is a myth that you cannot have the humanly feel, or you cannot build relationships online. Relationships can be built just by adding values, right? So let's move into the secret number two, the game ending mistake that marketers make immediately upon signing up with a network marketing company. Do this and you may lose more than just your investment, right? So when I joined a network marketing company, what I did, I made a list of my friends and family members and started calling them. And this was, I was like, hey dude, life set है, मजा आ रहा है, 3 से 4 साल की मेहनत है, कमाई करोड़ों में, right? So I was using this, right? And all of them said no to my opportunity. My list got dried up, and this was the time when I did the game ending mistake that I did. What I did, I used to call them unnecessarily just to pitch my opportunity to them again and again, even though they have said no to me. Then also, because I was told that keep on pitching to them or keep on talking to them, so that once they get a situation in their life, they will feel interested in your opportunity, right? So After some time, what happened? They stopped answering my phone, even going out with me, right? And I was the part of the no friends left club. And this is the point where this is the biggest mistake, guys. Never do this mistake, right? Because if a person has said no to you, then it means that he does not wants to be the part of your organization. So stop irritating or spamming that person, because you may lose your friends, right? So this is the point where most network marketers quit and go back to the same life. Their dreams die because they don't have the enough people to talk to. People do that because they don't have the enough people to talk to. And what is its solution, right? So this is the game ending mistake. Instead of going outside their network to scale, a lot of people beat down the same doors again and again because they don't know what else to do, right? And this is the point where people quit the business, right? So this is the game ending mistake. And 997 out of 1,000 network marketers lose money in the business instead of making money because they do this thing. So most of the people do this thing. Only a few of the people are not doing this thing. People get exhausted by your message. Then what happens? No one signs up and you don't make money, right? Because I did it for 12 months, right? I keep on messaging the same people again and again, irritating them. And so no one signed up. And this happens with the people. When no one signs up and you don't make money for a year, after that, you think that this business doesn't works. And finally, after some time, you had no one to talk to, and that's why you quit the business, right? So the real reason for people not making money is they keep on calling the same person again and again, and they are pitching the same product to the same person again and again. Now, the only solution in the modern era is you can start building your business online, right? Because all the people are online and you can have uh, building relationship with them online, because you will find genuinely interested people through automated system, right? Because when there is a system, people trust system, because system work, people fail. My mentor told me one very important thing, that system work and people fail. If you are able to build a system, then that system will work for you and people will have more trust on you, right? And you need to keep on improving your online recruitment system. Now you may be thinking like it is too much complicated to build a system. Let me tell you, you can build right now systems completely for free and within 3 days. I will tell you, uh, even if you have some experience, then you can. If you have no experience, then you need 3 days. If you have some experience, then you can do it within 2 to 3 hours. That is more than enough. So you can start with doing this manually. First you will do things manually, and then you can automate this entire thing to perfection, right? Because once you have a knowledge about the network marketing, then you can use this knowledge to automate this the whole thing perfection. So the secret number 3, how to rise above the clone wars and be unique in a sea of 3 lakh plus marketers who are all taught the exact same marketing strategies with no variation. And this is the way in which the people are actually mass producing their competitors, right? They are producing their competitors because once you enter a business, you are given a script to promote your opportunity. And this is the same script which 3 lakh plus other people are using in your organization, right? And when this happens, you are no more unique than all the other people. And when you are same like that, then there is a problem with you, right? So let me tell you something of my experience, right? I started talking to people using the script given to me, right? And what happened with that script? I went through thousands of rejections, right? I went through more than 1,000 rejections. And, and when I used the same script with the people who were cold people or the people on social media, and many of them blocked me. They called me crazy. They used inappropriate languages. They hung up phone on me, and a lot of things happened, right? I don't want to discuss because you also No, guys, because this happens in the network marketing industry. If you are not able to clarify the people with your message, right? Because they are not able to see my vision and they have a different mindset, right? So I was really sad and frustrated why the strategies taught by my appliance isn't working, right? So if you are doing that, you may have experienced the same thing that I'm saying you right now, right? And I was trying to help them, but they were not even interested in my opportunity. And apart from that, they even blocked me or called me crazy, right? So then I learned a very important lesson from this, right? People show interest based on way you deliver your message to the market. That is very important. If you are not able to deliver the message in the right way, then you will not be able to scale things, right? So I learned from the first secret. You have seen the first three phases which keep you stuck in that, people who are not making money in the business. So if you want to make money in the business, you need leads, that we had seen in the secret number 2. And now I'm going to tell you how to improve your message, in order to how to improve your process and message, in order to have people to listen to you and be genuinely interested in you, what you have to offer, right? So now let me ask you a question. Who is your real competition? Actually, your real competition are your friends, your family members, or people who are in your business, because they are actually following the same script, the same jokes, and all the criterias are same in your business. So they are you both are competing against each other, because if you see a prospect, all the network marketers that in your company will jump on that person, and they will have the same message and same, so that what that person will feel like, that person will run away from that place, right? So you're competing against each other. So you're competing against each other, and in this manner, the people who are teaching you to use the same script and the same message again and again, they are producing your competitors in your business, right? So it is just like a red ocean, right? And in this red ocean, there are a lot of people who are out for the fish, and they are generalists, and there is an increased market competition. You are increasing the market competition day by day by following the same script, and this is too much difficult to have regular signups with these strategies that you are doing, right, to achieve results, right? So what happens after some time? You are alone and broke, right? You're angry and frustrated because the experience that you had on call, and in the lack of money, you develop negative thoughts and become a depressed man. Then you finally quit the business, and not only you quit the business, then you spread negativity about the industry, right? So this also happens. This is the point where people go out of the business and they spread negativity about the business, right? So what needs to be done? The thing that needs to be done is, if you position yourself in the right way, right? If you become unique, if your message is unique, then you are in the blue ocean, right? Where you are the only person who is fishing around there, right? Because if your message is unique, people will able to see your approach, that your approach is different, then there is no competition for you, and prospects will approach these people and are ready to pay any amount to work with them, right? So this is what the top earners are doing. They are unique. Their way of, they are not following the same script that they are giving it to you. Let me tell you this, right? Their way of messaging is completely different from what the way of messaging you are using, right? So how do you create a blue ocean for yourself? So you need to be smarter. When you are unique in the market, then there is no competition, right? So first you need to have a unique message. You need a unique message that generates curiosity among people. So how you can have a unique message? So in order to have a unique message, I have designed something like, I had designed a sales loop, right? So the four key components of a unique message that I will talk about, right? Second thing, you need a unique offer, right? So if your offer is unique, even though you are promoting the same product, then also people will buy from you, right? So let me tell you the example of a unique offer. So you may have seen like Jio, right? So there was Mukesh Ambani. So he was promoting a SIM service, and Airtel is also a SIM service, and Vodafone phone is also a SIM service. Then also Jio, because of a better offer, that he was able to capture 80% of the market. So you need to create value by all these three things, by having a unique message, by unique offer, and by unique everything. You are just creating value. So how you can create value? By giving a better offer. So what is an offer? Let me tell you how you create value with an offer. So there is a current lifestyle, right? And there is a desired lifestyle of a person, right? And there is a gap between this current and desired lifestyle, right? And this gap, he is not able to fulfill this gap by himself, and that's why he needs you. He needs you for three reasons. Firstly, he is not able to reach to that level from his current lifestyle to his desired lifestyle on his own. That's why he needs your help. Secondly, he wants to get there faster than his natural pace, and he knows that you can help him too. And the third thing is he needs a proven system, a person who has already done it, so that when he comes in contact with that person, then their chances of him doing it is also uh, too close to reality, right? So because of this, he needs you, right? And now what you can do, you can help him with an offer to just help him to bridge that gap between his current and desired situation, right? So this is what an offer is, right? So suppose you are proposing a girl for marriage, then if you are giving her a better offer, then only she will feel like a great feeling for you, right? So it's all about the offer. Next is the step three that you need is your unique story, right? People feel emotional connection with the story. If your story is similar to what they are experiencing right now, and if they want the similar results what you have achieved, then that is the part of the unique story. So I have covered 10 unique questions. If you are able to answer these 10 unique questions in a simple way, then these 10 questions will automatically create your story, and that requires less than 30 minutes, guys, right? So what I will tell you about that, right? So what does the top earners do? The top earners are successful because they know that people show interest based on the way you deliver your message to the market. And so the successful people master the art of storytelling and emotional selling. And when I did that, let me tell you, I was able to build these top earners build long lasting relationship and pure relationships. I understood that, and I signed up two people in my downline within a week after that, right? And I understood this because people show interest when you make a connect with them based on their dreams and desires. People care more about their dreams and desires, right? So I did that. I started to model what the top earners are doing when I saw this statement by Les Brown. According to him, if you want to be rich, watch what rich people do every day and do it, and watch what poor people do and don't do it. Right. So with this statement, I just started modeling the top earners of the company. So here I have shown. I'm going to tell you about the 6 misconceptions that keeps you broke, right? Or to follow those strategies or the mindset that you have, it is because of the 6 misconception. Misconception number one, it's a numbers game. Keep on looking for new prospects to pitch your opportunity. It's not a numbers game, right? Let me tell you, it's not a numbers game. If you are able to simplify your system, and if you are able to provide absolute clarity to your prospect, then the person will automatically sign up. Even if you go with hundreds of prospects, but if your system is complicated and the sales process is complicated, that is confusing your prospect, that person will not sign up. This is 100% sure. Misconception number two, you need to push the same message to your prospects again and again, right? So we are told this by a lot of people in our business, then you need to push the message again and again, again and again. You need to call the people again and again, and this is the worst thing, because if you do this, I have told what happens. 997 people remain broke out of 1,000 people because they do this. They don't move out of their comfort zone to find new leads and prospects, right? Misconception number three, you have to follow a proven script that all other 100 million networkers are following. This is the biggest misconception, because if you are following the same script, then you are not unique in the market. And when you are not unique in the market, you are following the same script, then definitely people will automatically understand from which company you are from, right? Misconception number four, you need to learn how to handle prospects objection to confuse them, right? Mostly what I have seen, that people mainly handle objection in a way in order to confuse their prospect. They don't want to give an answer to the prospect, right? They want to confuse them. But a better way is storytelling, right? When you tell a story that how you feel, and you feel the same way as your prospect, and then when the person goes with your story, then they, I have seen this because the top earners do that, right? So this is objection handling is just about storytelling, right? Misconception number five, you need to look rich, wasting money in buying expensive stuffs in order to get people to reach out to you. This is again a bigger misconception. Right now, if you see on social media, the people who are just talking about themselves and their richness, people just cannot build relationship for a longer time with these people, right? Even though if you find a person who is agreed to sign up with you, after signing up, he will not work with you, and even he will spread negativity about you, right? And you will become a negative figure in the business, and negativity is the worst thing that can happen to your business, because once negativity enters in your business, then entire system below you will become negative, right? Misconception number six, if you want to be rich, you should attend events by taking loans. Biggest misconception, right? Because if you are attending events by taking loans, then you this I leave it to you, right? So automated recruitment system, the new way, how this works. Now, the first step is you have a paid or organic traffic. You can run organic traffic, and I will tell you a lot of ways by which you can run free paid ads. I'm saying you can run paid ads for free, right? So right now in this example, let us understand that, let us suppose we put 10,000 rupees in ads, right? To run organic or we run organic traffic to it. What happens? We have in the step two, we have a automated value system, that is an ecosystem, right? Through which people are going, and you are able to acquire 300 leads through this automated value system, right? You have created an ecosystem, and this 300 uh, leads that you received from this automated value system. After that, in the third step, they automatically signed up, because you have already discussed the process after this value system. And this is the third step is also in automation, and people sign up and they are reflected as your downlines in your portal, right? And after they sign up, they will book a call with you, so that you could know after, because there is a app like Calendly, right? There you get to know that this person has booked a call with you, right? And then you after suppose there is after a month or in a week, right? You are able to have 60 new team members in your organization, right? And once you have 60 new team members in your organization, you just focus on building relationship with them, right? You build relationship with them by meeting them personally or in that manner, and their training is going on in automation, right? Their whole training can be kept on automation, right? So I will tell you about that also. And in this, the total investment is just 10,000 rupees. Or if you are in US or in foreign countries, then there the cost of per lead is somewhat different from what that is in India. So there, if you're acquiring a lead for $2, right? So you will get 300 leads for, right, $600, right? Because ad cost depends on a number of factors, right? What your targeting is. So, right. So now you may be like, whoa, 660 downlines per month. I don't know if I can do that, right? Here I had shown you that 60 downlines in a week, but you, for you, like if you are thinking like 60 downlines per month, that is a lot. Then uh, you are thinking like, I don't know if I can do that, right? That's a lot. And let me tell you that you are, if just just suppose, if I'm curious, that's why I'm asking you this. Just suppose that you're totally screwed up, and if you are only able to sign up just 10% of that, that is 6 people you sign up every month, right? You just sign up 6 people, and if you sign up 6 people, that is 72 signups a year, right? Even if you sign up 6 people in a month, then in 12 months you will sign up 72 people new in your organization. That is only for the first level of duplication. If you talk about the second level of duplication, if your downlines are able to get the same results, that for the 10%, they will make like 5,184 people in your downlines. And to the third level of duplication, your team size would be 373,248 people. That is within a year, or only up to third level of duplication, right? I'm not talking about going much beyond that, just to the third level of duplication. Now, suppose you totally screwed up, and you are only able to make it like 0.001%, not even 1%, not even 0.1%, not even 0.01%. You are just successful by 0.001%. Then also within a year, you have a team of 373 new people in your organization, right? So this 373 new people in your organization will ultimately 10x your business, right? So then also your business is 10x. So let me ask you a question. You may be feeling somewhat like this, right? You may be feeling overwhelmed and a lot of information, because I have provided a lot of information, and you may be feeling overwhelmed right now like this, because most of the things that was in your belief system, I had just discussed something away from that, right? So now we can't cover everything in an hour, right? Let alone a day. You need much more than that in order to be successful, right? So I am excited right now to offer you where you can get it all, right? Everything you can get, whatever you need to 10x your business in the next 12 months, I can give you right now. And so now let me go through some of the things that are as a hurdles in your path, right? So you may be thinking, I don't have any experience of the internet. So let me tell you, your experience doesn't matter, because I was a guy who was not knowing anything about the internet. If you know about, if you can just use social media, if you are using Facebook, you are using Instagram, or these all things, you can make it happen, right? You can make it happen within 3 days, right? So it does not matter. Your experience does not matter, right? If you are a non-technical guy, right, you are completely, you have no idea of how this, because I'm not going to tell you about coding, because I also don't know coding right now. I know nothing about the coding. I know nothing about how these all CSS and everything works. But I know that how to set up system, because I will tell you the ways so that you can make it within 3 hours, right? So I don't use coding or anything like that. Then also it is completely, if you are non-technical, it does not matter at all, right? And if you don't speak English, because let me tell you, English is not the only language to build relationships, right? If you don't speak English, that is better, right? Because there are a lot of people who like to, because there was a guy in I remember the person was from northern part of India, and he has built an organization that is a long lasting organization, and that organization is much more than what you can think of, right? He has built a downlines of 400 people, and they all don't understand each other's language, then also they are building their business, right? So your language does not matter, right? So I'm introducing to you this network marketing downline secrets, and this is the ultimate training course to help you 10x your network marketing team in the next 12 months, right? So if you go with this course, this will help you to ultimately 10x your network marketing team in the next 12 months, right? So in this course, I will tell you how you can convert this hard way to the easy way. And I will tell you about the three types of automated recruitment system that you can build online. I will tell you how you can sell without selling anything, just by mastering one thing, right? Because mostly the people who are top earners, they sell without selling anything, right? So we will talk about what are the dead end phases and how to come out of it, right? The game ending mistakes that network marketers do, and how we can build the entire system, right? The ultimate network marketing secret of duplication to all the three levels, how we can do that, how we can implement all the different types of automated recruitment system. I will talk about the mechanics of the automated recruitment system and 12 more secrets, guys, right? So there are a lot of secrets that needs to be discussed, right? That I have not discussed right now, right? So the price of this course is 19,999, and if you are outside from India, then it is $267, right? $267 is the price of this course, right? On my website. But I'm going to give you some special gifts if you are an action taker. So there are a lot of special gifts for action takers, right? So if you're an action taker, then first bonus that I'm going to give you is the perfect offer blueprint, because you know that the offers are the number one thing that is that decides the make or break of a particular sale, right? So what I will tell you in this course what is actually an offer. I will tell you about more one thing about offers that makes it to makes it the sale, or how the sale happens just because of this one thing. If you include in your offers, then your sale will definitely happen. The mistake that most entrepreneurs do when they design their offers, and how you can design your offers for your network marketing company, right? And I will also talk about the previous best offers that has rapidly increased the sales. I will talk about the amazing case studies of offers that has made $1 billion in sales, right? So the price of this, the perfect offer blueprint, is 4,999 rupees. If you sign up today, I'm going to give it to you absolutely for free. This is an action bonus. This is for those guys who are not dabblers, who wants to 10x their business in the next 12 months, right? So the total value is 24,998. And what else do you need? So you need a perfect hook blueprint, because uh, what I understand, in or if you are if you want leads in your system, then you need to understand how to hook people into your system, because there is the words that you use, that is called hooks. How you use hooks at different places so it could grab attention. You need attention of guys in order to move into your system, right? I'm going to talk about what is a hook and the process to discover the best hook. I will also talk about scenario based hook targeting, right? How you can build a scenario to target your ideal customers, right? I will talk about the awesome hooks that has generated millions of dollars in the past. I will also talk about the mechanics of designing a perfect hook, right? And the price of this course is 4,999 rupees. If you sign up today, I will give you the perfect hook blueprint absolutely for free, right? So the total value is 29,997 rupees. If you sign up today, you can get it for 19,999. If you are getting up, if you are seeing a much better offer, go grab it till because I'm changing videos again and again, and I'm going to add more value to this course again and again. And once I add more value to this course, the price of this course would increase, right? So the third action bonus. The third action bonus is the self-liquidating model. So what is self-liquidating model? And I will tell you what self-liquidating model is. I will also tell you how you can get paid in order to build the email list of your prospects. Right? You heard it right, right? Because there are strategies by which you can even make money in order to build email list of your prospects, right? Because whatever you invest money in paid ads, right, so you can make more money than that, right, even before the people signing up. So how to use your resources as your products in order to increase your value, right? How to apply this self liquidating model to your network marketing business, that I will talk about. And how to decide your budget to generate profit, right, that also I will discuss. So the price of this blueprint is 4,999 rupees. If you sign up today, I'm going to give it to you absolutely for free. So the total value of these all bonuses and the course is 34,996. If you sign up today, your price is 19,999 rupees, right? So the next action bonus is the ideal customer avatar template, because you need to know the right people in your organization. Because if you sign up the wrong people in your organization, then it will make your entire business negative, and you will not build a sustainable organization for a while. So what is the importance of this ideal customer avatar, that I will talk about? Why Apple, Facebook are able to build such large organization. I will talk about their case studies and their loyal customers, why CCD is so successful, its business model, and how you can apply these 6 steps to build your own ideal customer avatar in order to have the recruitment of best people in your organization. Because you need to figure out who are the right people for your business. So I am going to give you the ideal customer avatar template, which is priced at 4,999 rupees. If you sign up today, as an action bonus, I'm going to give it to you absolutely for free. The total value of all the bonuses and the courses 39,995 rupees. If you sign up today, you are going to get it for only 19,999 rupees. Now, from most people, I get this, that they are not able to position themselves as an expert, so they find a problem in positioning themselves, and 100% of the people agreed to that, right? So the next bonus that I'm going to give you is the sales loop closing blueprint. This sales loop closing blueprint is the one thing that will help you to close more sales, right? I will tell you about what is the sales loop, so that once a prospect enters your system, he is not able to move out of it, and he keeps on moving in loops until he says yes to that particular opportunity or your product, right? So I will talk about the emotional selling versus this technical selling. I will talk about the 4 components of closing a sales effectively. I will also talk about how to deliver your message in a unique way to the market, so people say yes to your opportunity or your business in network marketing. And I will also talk about how to use the 4 components for all the 3 levels of duplication in network marketing. The price of this course is 9,999 of this blueprint. And if you sign up today, I'm going to give you this blueprint absolutely for free as an action bonus. So the total value of all the action bonuses and the course is 49,994 rupees. The price for today is 19,999 rupees. If you see a much better offer below this, go grab it, because this may not last for a longer period of time, right? So next action bonus that I'm going to give you is the lead generation blueprint. The lead generation blueprint is important because you also know that leads are the most important part of the business, and the people move out of the business because they don't get enough people to talk to. So I will talk about what are the two important activities in the business. I will also talk about the three things to focus on for lead generation. I will talk about the location giveaway and hook to perfect your sales message. I will talk about how to qualify your leads and dream buyers in your business. I will also talk about the explanation of how this giveaway and how it affects the conversion of leads, right? So the price of this blueprint is 4,999 rupees. If you sign up today, I'm going to give it to you absolutely for free, right? So the total value for this whole thing is 54,993 rupees. And if you sign up today, I'm going to give it to you at the price of 19,999 rupees, right? So next thing is the traffic generation blueprint, because if you have the automated lead generation and recruitment system, and if you are not able to drive traffic to that, then that is of no use. So I want no excuse from your side. That's why I'm going to give you this traffic generation blueprint absolutely for free, where you will learn what is traffic, what is internal and external traffic. I will talk about the three ways to get traffic and the different sources of traffic. I will talk about the 7-step action plan to fill your automated recruitment system. I will talk about the some core principle of traffic generation and how you can get free traffic, the 10 different ways of getting free traffic on complete automation. That also I will talk about. And the price of this blueprint is 9,999 rupees. And if you sign up today, I'm going to give you absolutely for free as an action bonus, right? The total value of all of this bundle is 64,992 rupees. And if you sign up today, the price for you for today is 19,999, right? And next action bonus is automated sales and recruitment ecosystem, right? So you also understand the importance of an ecosystem, because if you are able to build an ecosystem, then you can build businesses like Apple, because Apple has built an ecosystem. Once a person enters their ecosystem, they keeps on buying Apple products for their life, right? So I will tell you in this how this ecosystem model works. I will also tell you how to improve conversions by creating a hub on social media. I will also tell you why letting people achieve results improve your conversion, and how to create ecosystem for your network marketing business, right? I will also tell you how to put all the follow-up thing on complete automation, because I hate to follow up people. I have followed up people for a year through that manual process, but then I was able to perfect a system where each and follow up and all the things are on complete automation, and people automatically sign up. So this improves the conversion by building ecosystem, and the price of this is 4,999 rupees. If you sign up today, I'm going to give you this absolutely for free as an action bonus. So if you are an action taker, then the total value of this is 69,991 rupees. And if you sign up today, the price for you is 19,999 rupees. So if you're an action taker, take action right now and complete the payment. Bonus number 9, because this is one thing, this is the last thing that you need, because after all that thing, even if you fail at, or if you are stuck at some point, I'm giving you my personal clarity session where you can book a one-to-one coaching session with me, right? if you stuck at any point, then you can have a one-to-one coaching session with me where you can ask about anything. This personal clarity session is for 1 hour, and you can talk about the system optimization and what you need to do next, where you are stuck in. If you try to have the whole system, but if you are stuck at a part, then I can help you to move further from that part. And this is valued at 4,999 rupees. If you sign up today, I'm going to give it to you absolutely for free. The total value of the course and the bundle is 74,990 rupees. And if you sign up today, I'm going to give it to you at the cost of 19,990. So how many of you remember this number, 74,990 rupees, right? So you can act fast and claim the offer now, because this is the special deal, and this is 100% guaranteed to 10x your business in the next 12 months. I 100% guarantee you, if you follow the steps and you follow the things, then you will 10x your business in the next 12 months, right? So why I have created this course? The number one problem that is with the network marketing industry is the current network marketing system makes these networkers compete against each other, because they are using the same message, same strategies, promoting same products with the same process, and all the offers that they have, that is also same. Because I have faced this for a year, and that's why I have worked it and I have created this digital networkers hub. And what is the mission of this digital networkers hub? I am on a mission to build the world's largest society of digital networkers. And my vision is to collectively empower every networker on earth to live a lifestyle of freedom, right? So how I can do that? My only way to do that is, like, I want to build the next breed of networkers who can make a difference in this world. And how I can do that? I can do that by helping network marketers going digital, right? So if I can help you to become a digital networker, then when you will mentor a community of 200, 300, or 400 people in your downlines, then this will create a ripple effect in the world, and these people will also convert into digital networkers. And in this way, this will change the entire world, right? Because right now it is the best time to build the business online. Now, is it okay if I over deliver again? So let's understand what we are getting at this price, right? So you are getting network marketing downline secrets. Value of it is 19,999 or $267. The perfect offer blueprint, that is valued at 4,999 rupees, or you can say $67. The traffic secrets blueprint, value of it is 9,999 rupees, or you can say $134. The perfect hook blueprint, that is valued at 4,999 rupees, or you can say $67. Sales loop closing blueprint, it's valued at 9,999 rupees, or you can say $134. So these all things, apart from that automated sales and recruitment ecosystem, you are getting personal clarity session, you are getting lead generation blueprint, you are getting ideal customer avatar template, you are getting self liquidating model. And the price of these all, the whole network marketing bundle, is the total value of this is 74,990 rupees, right? I'm not going to give it to you at 74,990 rupees, because I want you to take action right now. So because I know this is not possible for most of the people, that's why I have given you a special offer price of 19,999 rupees, right? So you can grab this offer for 19,999. And this is valuable for this price also. If even if I give it to you at 74,990 rupees, then also it is worth its price, right? Because if all this, right now, let me ask you, if all this did, right, you buy this course, and if all this did was just finally give you an automated system that is driving 600 or more leads every month, right? And let me ask you, if you are getting 600 or more leads every month to your system and that is on complete automation, would it be worth it? Would it be worth it, guys? Definitely it will, right? And if this particular thing can help you to share your message to more people in a unique way, because we have understood that people are competing against each other by following a same general script, right? And if I can help you with this course to understand things and share your message with more people in a unique way, would it be worth it, guys? Definitely it would worth it, because if you are unique in the market, people like to, as I told you about the blue ocean strategy, people like to work with you at any cost, right? And if this all this thing that I had given you can give you the ability to cancel all your expenses and provide you much more free time to building your business on complete automation, would it be worth it? Right now, guys, we had discussed that all the expenses, because let me tell you about me. I was I had invested more than 8 lakh rupees in my business, right? In the all the expenses, if I talk about in a year, in the first year itself, I put in more than 8 lakh rupees in the business, and my outcome was not that much, right? Right now, if you talk about this particular system, you are getting this course and you can build this system for free, right? You can just put some money, right? If you, I don't promote you to go for the free resources. You can just invest some amount of money in order to, because when we go for free things, then our mindset is like that, right? And I don't want you to go in that manner, right? So I want you to invest in courses and invest in your learning, right? Because if you invest in your learning, that will help you, right? So don't be cheap on your journey to greatness, right? If you want to be great, then you need to invest money, right? So let me tell you, an average person who is building his network marketing business online through automated lead generation and recruitment system, he saves $200 every month, because I'm saving a lot of money every month, right? When I was building that offline, that there was a lot of expenses, right? And so this course is never going to cost you a penny. It becomes much better than free, because it will provide you an alternative path to remove all your expenses, right? And your time that you are investing in a lot of things, you can invest that time to a different, or to something that is more important for you, right? And this business is built on automation. Now, I had two choices when I was doing, I was deciding this price. I had two choices, right? The first choice was to go cheap as possible and trying to sell it to everyone that is possible, right? And if I would have done that, then it would be difficult for me to stack the value, right? It was a difficult situation for me to give so much value to people and give so much focus to each and every person, right? Because there would be a lot of people who would do that things, and I would not get best results out of these guys, right? So that's why I prefer the second option, that requires a little higher investment, but in exchange I can devote more resources to you guys, right? And I can guarantee the part of your success, because I'm providing you one-to-one clarity session, and I will also further improve the value of it, right? And this is just a foundation. This course is just a foundation to 10x your business in the next 12 months, right? So if you build a solid foundation, then only you are able to build a building on that, right? So that's why I preferred the second option, right? So let me ask you, what this one automated lead generation and recruitment system worth to you guys, right? So before that, if I tell you about me, that I had invested years in perfecting this system and to create this system, right? So one successful system, this one successful system that can help you to make more than $2,000 a month or $5,000 a month or more than that. And apart from that, it can help you to build passive income for lifetime. So if you can get this system which can help you to build passive income for lifetime, or which can help you to make $2,000 extra every month, or $5,000 extra every month, or more than that, then what would be the price of that particular system? What do you think? What should be the price of that system? So how much would you pay for this one perfect system? Let me tell you what I had done when I was building this automated lead generation and recruitment system. It costed me like $1,500, right? It costed me like $1,500, and apart from that, I was I had invested years in building this system, right? But what was the outcome of it, right? It has made me a saving of $5,000 every year, and I am getting 100 leads within a day. Every day I am getting 100 leads if I am running paid ads to it, right? So if I can run paid ads to it, I am getting 100 leads within a day. And if I am putting it totally on organic reach and on free sources, then I'm getting traffic from free sources also right now. So the traffic from the free sources is like 40 to 45 people keep on checking my pages, and then they out of that, very few people, like those people who check out the pages, apart from that, one to two people uh, keep on asking me to become my downline. And once I accept their application and that all, then only they complete the process and that all, right? So now you can see why it's a good deal at 74,990 rupees, right? But outside this event, we sell this entire thing at 19,999 rupees, right? Now, because I want you to 10x your business in the next 12 months, so I'm going to give you an awesome discount and give you this. You can get started today for only 7,499 rupees. If you do a one-time payment of 7,499 rupees, then you can get started on this course. Or if you are outside from India, you can just invest $100 to start this course, and $100 is not something that is a bigger price, right? So I can assure that this course or this network marketing bundle will entirely change the way you think about the business, right? So apart from this, I'm giving you like lifetime access to this course. I'm giving a personal clarity session with me. I'm giving the access to the student telegram group where you can ask questions 24 by 7. And I'm also giving you access to all the future updates to this program, right? So now you have two choices, right? The first option is you do nothing, right? And you don't take this leap of faith, and that is 100% risk free. You can go out and you can say that this presentation was awesome and you can take lunch, right? The presentation was awesome, everything was awesome, but you want to take lunch, and that's totally fine, right? That is totally fine. If you want to do that, you can definitely do that, right? But I personally believe that the life is changed based on the choices that we make. So this is a quote by John C. Maxwell: life is a matter of choices, right? And every choice you make makes you, right? So whatever choice you make, that will make you, right? So if you take the choice of not taking an action, then the way you do one thing, you will do everything in that manner. If you are not taking action in few things that you know can 10x your business or 10x your life in the next 12 months, then once a person is an action taker, that person is action taker for the life, right? So because we are not here to dabble on something, but we are here to 10x our network marketing business in the next 12 months, right, guys? So the second option for you guys is like, just put this small little investment today, and compared to all the value that you are getting in return, and just try for it, right? Try to build this system and give it a shot, that what happens, right? Because it's better to try, right? And because I personally believe, if I cannot make you money, right, I don't deserve yours, right? I don't deserve your money if I cannot make you money, right? And there is a quote by Ratan Tata: I don't believe in taking right decisions. I take decisions and then make them right. Right. So whatever decision if you make, if you take a decision that you don't want to just buy this course, and that is totally fine for me. Right. And if you take the decision to buy this course and take action, that is also great. Right. So it totally depends on you, because after taking a decision, what you do, that decides your destiny and your whatever results you will get, right? So this is like, if I cannot make you money, then I don't deserves yours. That's why I'm going to give you a 30-day guarantee for this, right? So that you could not feel a risk in this, right? So there is a 30-day guarantee. If you sign up today, if you don't like it and didn't see the results, I don't care if it's 29 days, 23 hours, or 59 minutes from now. Just let me know, and we'll give your money back if you don't see the results, right? So I'm so confident about this, right? I'm so much confident about this. I'm 200% confident about this. If you set up system and if you do the things right, then you will get results, right? So that's why I'm offering this 30-day guarantee, so that 30-day money back guarantee, so that there is no excuse and there is nothing to dabble about, right? So now you have no excuse. If you want to take action, you are risk free for 30 days. And this is a fail proof system. The only way you can fail, if you decide to quit. And if you want to quit, I don't want your money. You can leave this session right now, and you can do whatever you were doing. And if you want to take this leap of faith and you want to take this course, then you can click on the link below and you can take action, because it is about you. It's not about me, because this is not going to change my lifestyle. This is not going to change my life by a bit, not by an inch, because I'm already building my business, and there are a lot of things that are automation. I build a lot of businesses that also I want to clear, and people are already, I'm already receiving money, right, from building my businesses that are on automation, because I had a lot of businesses that are being built on automation. That's why I have created this system, so that I could have this business also on automation to make money. And because I was able to figure out that thing, that's why I thought, why not to provide this to other people also, who can benefit out of it. So it's all about you. Whatever decisions you make, that is not going to add a bit in my life, right? Because this 7,500 rupees is not going to change my life. That I can assure you, right? So right now, if you want, you can go down, click on the link, and once you click on the link, you will go to a page that is a checkout page, where you had to sign up first, right? So you had to sign up first, like you had to give your name, right? Name, and you will fill all the details, email and everything. Then you have one credit card information. In that, you will give the credit card information with the date, expiry date, and the CVV information, and then you can complete the payment, and you will get instant access to the course, right? You will get an instant access to the course, and you can start learning and building system right now, right? Within within once you complete the payment, you can start learning right now. Okay, so be an action taker and click the button below to get started. And thank you so much, guys, for attending this training and listening to me. And thank you so much, guys. And you can always reach out to me on my channel for the free resources and the free courses. And I'll see you in the course itself. And I will keep on adding more value. And thank you so much, guys.